Looking for an incredibly quick getaway? With RCI points, you can book discounted last call condos right on RCI.com. Here's how it works. Go to last call right down here and click on that. Last call are deeply discounted condo stays typically available within the next 45 days. These are cash only deals. RCI points aren't used to pay for them directly, but here's a trick. You can actually use your points to book a standard exchange or use a mix of points and cash with points plus cash options. You can filter by map view. Let's click on USA. Prices are shown in USD, not points. If you're set on using points, go ahead to the Exchange Vacations tab instead. You can type right here in this white search bar. There you can filter by location, travel date, and point cost. RCI points values vary depending on the destination, unit size, and season, but they start as low as 6,000 points per week. But last call is cash only. Exchange is points. Simple.